Okay, hello dear friends. Hello dear friends, write me please. Do you hear me? Friends, write me please. Do you hear me? If yes, we would start. Friends, write please. Do you hear me? I want to hear it. Okay. Okay, I see that everything is okay. Let's start our webinar. It's our every week webinar, every weekly analysis. Okay. On this webinar, I want to show you what to do the next and what I have plans on next week on different currency pairs. Today we will analyze major currency pair plus gold plus oil and some of indexes. Okay. Okay, great. I see. Okay, I see. Okay, friends, let's start from Euro USD because it's the most popular instrument which most of the people love. Okay, about Euro USD. Take a look this on these levels on Euro USD. One moment, I want to delete this little stuff. Let's it be. Okay, about Euro USD, as we see that Euro USD is still in this huge range. Price still in this range. I don't like to trade in the range because there are big chance that price will continue to move in the range. But there are really key places on the chart near which we can open a positions. The best place is 1.1217, or it's better to 1.1215, because as you see, price bounced from this level and started this range from this level. What plans do I have? If the price will come here and will make fake broke, I will open buy because in that case my stop loss will be low as 20 CT pips and potential profit will be nearly 200 300 pips. Only from this place price can start really powerful up move, because at this moment a lot of people who open buy position set their stop losses under this low, and big players know it. Big players very often before start new trend make a lot of fake brokes. That's why I love it. Also, there could be a different scenario. It could be scenario like this: price just will broke powerfully with powerful candle it down, and daily candle will close under this. That will be signal for us that price will continue down move. That's why near this level I will wait Euro USD and will wait how the price will react on this level, because it is really important. If the price on Euro USD will move down, there is a big chance that price can move down to this level. It is in long term into this 1.08648. Okay, really big chance. Also about Euro USD, there are a big chance that price just will start range here, range from this place, just will start such range. Friends, it is not best place to trade, because when price in the range, the really hard to take your proper risk reward ratio. Even if you do it, please open entries. If you open buy in lower. on the low and open sell when price come to higher level. Don't open boundaries entries without proper signal in the middle of the range, because your potential risk will be bigger than potential profit. And it's really horrible to trader to make money in such situation. Okay, write me please, is it understandable with Euro USD? If yes, we will go to the next currency pair. Friends, write please about Euro USD. If it is understandable, we will go to the next currency pair. Just write yes, I understood. Okay. John, which pin bar? About Friday candle. Yes, it looks like a pin bar, but really powerful pin bar when they printed on powerful level. Together, it's really great signal. Great, great. Let's go to British pound. Let's go to British pound. Okay, friends, about British pound, take a look here. There are big chance that British pound on next week will make up move. Take a look on this level on British pound, from which price bounced really pretty nice. Take a look here. Take a look here, here, and here. On how many daily candles bounced really pretty nice from that level. It is a signal that market really respects that level. And also take a look for our picture. Take a look here. Before price broke it, there was a bounce. That's why on on Monday, I think that on British pound will be really pretty nice to open buy position from this place. And goal could be really good goal could be here. Because if we would open buy here, our stop loss will be really low. There will be, for example, stop loss. There would be, for example, stop loss 20 pips, and potential profit could be 1 to 7. If we will take 1 to 6, it will be really great position. It will be really great entry. That's why about British pound, think about pull open buy on pullback. Why I don't want to open buy from this place? Because if we would open buy from this place, we should set stop loss and under key level. Take a look. Your stop loss must be 70 pips. And it's really hard. It will be really hard even to take 1 to 2 as risk reward ratio. Okay. About British pound, I think it is understandable. Okay, let's go ahead. Japanese yen. About Japanese yen, as we see on daily chart, price still in this daily uptrend. From this low, there are still daily trend. Also, as we see, there are this candle from which price bounced several times. It is level from which price really bounced. Take a look. I want to show it to you. Take a look. How the price bounced here from this level here and here. Market really respects this level, and we have uptrend. That's why I think that if the price will come here, it will be really good place to open entry to continue uptrend, because here would be low stop loss, low risk. Many of you can ask how can we open buy entry on Japan's yen, and also can open buy entries on British pound. Friends, we can, because we wait on a proper signal. We need to see proper signal. If there will be confirmation, USD Japan's yen and GBP USD still can go together up. That's why, yes, that's why everything could be okay. About entries, really proper entry would be near this level, and near this level with low stop loss. For example, stop loss 20 pips and goal before this level. From this level, really, there could be a pullback. Also, a second scenario, if the price will break down this level and daily candle will close under, only in that case you will be able to open sell after such pullback. Friends, I am showing you on this webinar key levels from which is the best to open entries, because only near key levels you can have low and predictable risk. Okay, that's all with Japanese yen. And yeah, no, but I want to say one more thing. If you see that trend is up, it's better always to look entries to continue the trend, because there are far bigger probabilities that trend will continue, and you have low risk and great reward ratio. Okay, let's do a Canadian dollar. Let's do Canadian dollar. One moment. About Canadian dollar, as we see price bounced from this pretty nice level. I want to show it to you. It's really pretty nice how price bounced. But there was one thing which I don't really like. That price bounced from this level but didn't close above this level. That means that price do not have enough power to move up. That's why I'm a little confused on Canadian dollar, because I thought that it can move far more up. And at this moment, I think that Canadian dollar can break down this level and continue down more. If that will happen, wait, when daily candle will close under it, and after that near this level will be pretty nice entry with low risk. The main reason why I have only this scenario on Canadian dollar, because there is no any good level near this place. And second main reason why I think about down, I want to show you. I want to show you that this oil start at last. Oil can start up move, can continue up move. As we see, oil still have this uptrend from this low, and there a big chance that oil will make up move. And when oil moves up, Canadian dollar has big correlation between oil and Canadian dollar. That's why there's a big chance that price can hit some key levels above. Like for a start, it will be $57, and next really powerful level is 64. $64. That's why I think that oil will continue up move. About entries on oil, at this moment, it's hard to find really proper levels on oil. That's why I recommend to all of you, if the oil, for example, what to do and what to wait. If the oil will create some level and will bounce it on that level, will make some up, down moves, just open buy near lower point of that level, and that's all on continue. That's all what I can recommend at this moment on oil, because there are big chance that it will continue up more. What do you mean is not clear? Write me, please. Okay, let's continue. Okay, and let's do Australian dollar. One moment, friends. As always, we start from daily. As always, we start from daily, and let's take a look some levels from which price bounced pretty nice. As we see here on Australian dollar, here is really pretty nice level. Take a look. One, two, from which the price bounced uh, and for our candle close above. Near this level could be really pretty nice buy entry with low risk. At this moment, it's hard to say about long-term trend on Australian dollar because as we see, price still have powerful movement from this low, but it looks like it's really huge range. That's why what we can do on Australian dollar, we can just find levels which price respect and bounce it a lot of times and open entries near them. It's like this. Price bounced it several times, respect it. That's why here would be entry with low risk to continue up move. I always speak. Fabi, what do you mean? What do you mean by it? Because my connection is really good. Okay, let's continue. Okay, friends, let's continue. Okay, let's go ahead. We just done everything with Australian dollar, and next will be New Zealand dollar. About New Zealand dollar, the situation really similar like on Australian dollar, but the main difference that there wasn't such huge uh, tail down. That's why on New Zealand dollar, what would be a scenario? I think that price still can continue this up move as we see the midterm uptrend. But what we can do the best, as you see, New Zealand dollar very often do such such waves move. That's why I recommend to open entries only on pullbacks up. Where would be the best place to open entry? For a start, here is pretty nice level from which price bounced several times. And if New Zealand dollar will make such pullback, you can open buy. Okay, okay, friends, write me please. Please check your connection. I see that connection is pretty nice. Friends, write me please. Is everything here? I can watch in Belize very clear with further. Great. Friends, write me please. Is everything understand till this moment, or there is some questions more about some major currency pairs? Right, please. About gold, Johanny, my apology if I made some mistake. About gold, I don't think that gold will move down because I hold by position on gold. Also about gold, What we have at this moment, I want to show you. It's better it will be to show it on trading view. About gold, friends, I think that gold will continue up move because, can you see high level for oil again, please? I see, Mohammed, there will be a record of this level. You will just will find that moment of that key level. Friends, about gold, you need to understand that here is powerful uptrend. Take a look on this uptrend and take a look always what the price did in this uptrend. Here was take a look on this range. After such range, price accumulate volume, made powerful up move. Here was take a look on this and also on this. Accumulate huge volume, made up move. Here was accumulation of volume and move up. Also the same situation here. Take a look on this little range. I love such places because I know that big players, guys, who really control the market, accumulate position here. And also you can see how price really respected this level. Take a look on 1 hour. Take a look on this. Take a look here, 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 even here. Yes, only on Friday price broke up this candle close above. It's a signal that price broke up this accumulation. That's why I hold buy position on gold, and I think that gold has really big chance to move up. Take a look, for example, here. And for gold, there are such goals like 1361. It's really mid-term goal for gold. Short-term goal for gold could be 1362, and really short-term, if the price will make a pullback on Monday, will make pullback to this level, here you can open buy with goal this high, before this high. It is here will be entry only if the price will make a pullback. About gold, I do not think about sell at this moment because I don't see a reason to think even sell. But situation really can change, and if something will change, I'll do a video about that. That's why one more about gold. Trend is up, momentum is up, price broke up range. Everything is really pretty good to move the price up. That's why if the price will make pullback to 1315.47, there will be a good buy entry with with low risk. What do I mean by low risk? It's city pips. For gold, it's not big, and that's all. And gold 1326. Okay, that's all about gold. Friends, this is all about major currency pairs. We done everything with major currency pairs. Also about S&P 500. I want to show you one more thing about S&P 500. As you see, here I made a forecast about S&P 500. Here was a forecast. I still think that price has a big chance to move to this key level. Near that level, I will see what will be the reaction, because in trading, the most important to see how price react on something. And if there will be really pretty nice signal, that will be the best place to open sell with really middle term goal. Okay, Write me, please, is everything is understandable at this moment? Friends, write please it into the chat. Friends, yes, good, great. Evgeny, yes, 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 perfect. Okay, about tell us about GBP chief. Okay, okay, let's check. Okay, about British pound chief. Chief Swiss franc, you need to understand that Swiss franc is really, it has low volatility, and if British pound will make up move, it will do it together with British pound. That's why about Swiss franc. I think so as a British pound here, as you see, pretty nice level that on Monday price, if they will make pull back, here would be good place to open entry with stop loss under this low. It would be near 25 city pips. It will be really good entry. But as you see, price still in this sideway moves. Take a look on this sideway moves. To be honest, I don't like it because such things don't give us enough risk reward ratio. That's why if you even will open buy here, your take profit must be before this high, because there are big chance that price will continue this sideways moves. About average risk in pips, my average 15-20 pips. The most important what you have in percent on your deposit. What do you mean FX pips? I'm long on Euro USD 150. Why you open buy here? Here was any good position. I wrote about this level. It is on 35 pips under. Yes, if you open a position in such high, your risk really too big. Trading, it is a job with probabilities and risk reward ratio. If you do not open position in proper places, you have too big risk, and that's why 90% of traders lose money. Because if you have stop loss more than 50 pips, it's really hard to get 1 to 4 risk reward ratio. Because if you take ever in average 1 to 4, even if you have 40% of profit entries, you still make money. Okay, what are the best pair to trade with good respect on levels, or all is the same? All major currencies is the same. Also, oil, gold plus indexes really they really great. About CAD Japanese yen. Okay, and let's do CAD Japanese yen. About this currency pair, as we see, here was this upward range and price just broke it in two different sides. I think that at this moment price still will continue this up move, but this upward range will change it. I think that it will continue, but I don't see really powerful levels from which we can open entries, which price really respected. One really powerful level will be here. If the price will come here, will make fake broke, there will be a sell entry. But it's 300 pips, and I don't see really something good at this moment. But remember that trend is still up. That the best will be to open buy entries on pullbacks if you trade intraday. If FX pips about Euro USD, I wrote we started a webinar from Euro USD. Uh, please, when we will finish, just will take a look one more time, and I explained about Euro USD. Okay, tell us about a bit about DEX. Mm, what exactly would you like to hear about DEX, about in dollar index? About dollar index, it looks like price created here pretty nice level, as you see, bounce it first time, second time, third time, fourth time. Yes, and on next week, we need to see how the price will react on this level. If there will be, if the price will respect that level and will make, for example, the best will be is fake broke. That will be a good buy entry. But if the price will break it down, that will be a sell entry. That's all. Because about dollar index, as you see, there's this bullish momentum. Always is the best to find entries to continue some trend. If the price will bounce it from this level again, there's a big chance that it will move up to 97.70. Okay, friends, write me please, is everything understandable with this analysis? About Euro USD, we need to see how the price will react on key level 1 point. The more, one more, Charlie de Melon. You need to understand about trading and about Euro USD. When the price will be, it's hard to say because only big players can move the price. But only one thing in trading, a few things which we can do is to determine our risk. That's why I always, when I do analysis, I show key levels from which is the best to open entries, because only near key level you will have stop loss. And if the price will make a fake broke on this level, yes, there is a big chance that there will be move to 1.14. Okay, friends, it's really pretty nice that everything is great. Also, I want to tell that I have education at this moment. There are two packages, standard and VIP. And if you are interested in my personal education, if you want to learn how to build key levels, entry exit points, if you want to have a proper mentor with real results, you can write to me. Here will be our contacts. You can write here and ask about free consultation. As you see here, when you will push on this link, there will be our Telegram, WhatsApp, and Facebook. If you're interested in education right now, to my assistant Valeria, and she will help you with all questions about education, signals, and account management. Also, also, if you have some questions just right now, okay, friends, I understood that you don't have questions at this moment. Okay, thank you for your time. I think that I will do such webinars on every week basis. Friends, if this webinar was really good for you, please write a comment what you think about it. Share it with your friends. Push like, subscribe on my channel. And also, if you're interested in education, write on write right here, right here to us, or use this phone number for Telegram or WhatsApp. FX Pips, you can use this link. Take a look. You can use this link, and here are Telegram, WhatsApp, and Facebook. You can use different messengers. You can use and which is more suitable for you. Also, you can write to me on TradingView. Also, you can write to me on TradingView. Take a look, my TradingView account. Roma Sugar. About oil, I wrote, I thought about oil. Please, when we finish it, just stop the video and you will find oil. Okay, friends. Thank you for your time. Please do a comments. See you later. Bye.